Good morning. In the last class, we have discussed about change the order of integration. Right now, in this class, we are going to discuss about triple integrals. So, triple integrals, right? So actually in a previous classes we discussed about double integral, right? So how to integrate a double integration. So in this class we discuss about triple integration. So for example, so triple integration here x is equal to some a to b, here some y1 of x to y2 of x, triple integral z1 of x comma y, here z2 of x comma y, some f of x y z into dx dy dz. So this is integral. Now here f function f of x y z with respect to x y z, right? Now here limits are z1 of x comma y, z2 of x comma y, y1 of x to y2 of x and a to b. Now how to integrate this function, right? How to integrate with this function? So first of all, here z1 and z2 are function of x comma y and y1 y2 are function of x, then x is constant, right? So that's why here, so z1 is here, these limits are so z limits and these limits are y limits and these are x limits. Now here z limits in xy, then here we have to integrate with respect to z first, then with respect to here y1 of x, y2 of x, then integration with respect to y, after that finally integration with respect to x. So here z is function of x comma y, that's where integrate with respect to z, these are z limits. Now here while these are y limits, then integrate with respect to y, after that with respect to x. So this is the procedure for finding triple integral. Now we are going to discuss one more example, that is now evaluate triple integral x y z dx dy dz, triple integral x y z dx dy dz over the positive octant of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So this is our problem. So evaluate triple integral x y z dx dy dz over the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Now here actually there is no limits of x y z, right? First of all we have to write limits of x y z. So how to write limits of x y z? So that is considered from given region. So that is over the positive octant of the sphere. So given curve is sphere. Now here from the given sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, right? Right, actually given is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, right? From this z square is equal to, what is z square here? A square minus x square minus y square. Now write from z value, here z is equal to square root of, actually plus or minus square root of a square minus x square minus y square, but here we have to take only positive. So that is actually curve is in positive octant, that's why we take only 0 to positive, right? So now z is equal to square root of a square minus x square minus y square. Now y varies from. So here y where is from. So what is y? So it is a projection of this sphere in xy plane or yz plane. So that is then suppose z is equal to 0 x in xy plane. So z is equal to 0. So z is equal to 0, we get x square plus y square is equal to a square. So that's why right y where is from 0 to square root of a square minus x square. So how will you get this one, right? So from actually projection of sphere in xy plane, then z is 0. So that's where this one is 0, right? X square plus y square is equal to a square. From this y square is equal to a square minus x square, then y is equal to square plus or minus square root of a square minus x square. So it is in first octant. Then we take 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Then x where is from. So x where is from, so first octant, then 0 to, so here square root of a square minus x square. So then we get 0 to a. So these are the limits. Now take given integral. What is given integral here? So the given integral is triple integral x y z dx dy dz. Now first of all observe here. So z is function of x comma y, y limits function of x, and x limits 0 to a. So first of all here we have to integrate with respect to z first, then we integrate with respect to y, after that with respect to x. So that's why first of all integrate with respect to z. So then this can be write as, so here x where is from 0 to a, and y where is from 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Here square root of a square minus x square minus y square. So x y z dz into dx dy, right? So integration with respect to z. Then integral 0 to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Now this is the function x y z. So with respect to z, here x y is constant, right, clearly as it is. Now what is z integration? So z integration is z square by 2. So then write limits 0 to square root of a square minus x square minus y square into dx dy. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Integral 0 to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square into here xy. Now substitute in place of z, z square, square root cancel. So here we get a square minus x square minus y square by 2 into dx dy, right? So this is integration with respect to z. Now then integration with respect to y. So integration with respect to y, here finally 1 by 2 is constant, right? Here 1 by 2, integral 0 to a, right? Now integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square, then multiply here xy a square, xy a square minus here x cube y, right, x cube y minus x y cube dy into dx, right, with respect to y. Then here 1 by 2 integral 0 to a with respect to y, then what is constant here? X a square is constant. Now y integration y square by 2 minus here with respect to with respect to y, x cube constant, y integration is y square by 2. Next, minus here xy cube, x constant, y cube integration, y power 4 by 4. Right? So here integration is over. Limits 0 to square root of a square minus x square into dx. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. First of all, take 1 by t is common. Right here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Integral 0 to a. Right? x a square into y square. What is y here? Square root of a square minus x square, y square. Square root cancel. So here a square minus x square. So minus here x cube into here also y square. A square minus x square. Right? So minus here 1 by 2 common, x into y power 4. A square minus x square power 1 by 2 power 4. So that's why here write a square minus x square whole square by 2. Okay, that is dx. Okay, now write in all terms. First of all, x here x common. Integral 0 to a. So x into, right? Now a square into a square minus x square, x common, x square into a square minus I. In these two terms, a square minus x square common. Now here a square, right, minus here x square common. Okay. Now minus a square minus x square whole square by 2 into dx. Right? That is equal to 1 by 4 integral 0 to a, x is a common term. Now here a square minus x square, a square minus x square, a square minus x whole square minus a square minus x whole square by 2. Right? First of all, a square minus x square whole square minus here a square minus x square whole square by 2 into dx. Clear? So a square minus x whole square, here a square minus x square whole square by 2. Now, so then here take LCM, 2 into a square minus x square whole square minus a square minus x square whole square by 2. So finally what we get? So 1 by 4 integral 0 to a x into, so finally a square minus x square whole square by 2 into dx. Right? Now expand this. So 1 by 4 integral 0 to a x into, what is the expansion of a square minus x square whole square? Right? A square whole square, a power 4 plus x square whole square, x power 4 minus 2a square x square into dx whole by 2. Right? So now simplifying that, 1 by 4, so 1 by 2 is common, here 1 by 2, 1 by 8. Now multiply. 1 by 8. So integral 0 to a. Now multiply x with x. So that is x a power 4. Next plus x power 4x, x power 5 minus 2a square x cube. So into dx, right? This is the final function. Now integrate with respect to x. So now here write 1 by 8. So a power 4 constant, x integration is x square by 2 plus x power 5 integration x power 6 by 6 minus 2a square into x cube integration is x power 4 by 4. Now integration is over, limits 0 to a. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 8 into upper limit here a square, a power 6 by 2 plus here a power 6 by 6 minus here 2a square into x power 4, a power 4, so by 2. So a power 6 by 2, right? Now here a power 6 by 2, a power 6 by 2 cancelled. So finally we get a power 6 by 6 into 1 by 8, 6 into 8 48. So that's why answer is a power 6 by 48. So this is the solution for given integral, right? So triple integral. So in the similar way we can find every integral, I mean function of three functions, I mean x, y, z, with respect to z first, then with respect to y, and then with respect to x. So in the next class we will discuss about I mean one more problem on triple integration, right? Thank you.